I didn't film anything, but this is the end of our dinner, and I just wanted to say that
I'm not in the photo anywhere.
Mexican restaurant.
You can see my hair. I love seeing my hair.
You can only see like a
I just wanted to say that I love y'all, and I'll see you when I get home. Okay? Thank you, thank you.
safe travels in Costa Rica.
Have fun. We love you.
Thank you, love you guys.
Cumpleaños. And a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños.
I love you, buddy.
All right, bye y'all. Next stop, Costa Rica.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire. Oh,
Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Liberia, Costa Rica. I'm at the Hilton Garden Inn near the airport. And today is the day that I'm going to transfer over to our retreat center so I can start yoga teacher training. And I'm going to meet up with the rest of my cohort today. But I came a day early and I'm here, just had some dinner at the hotel last night, got to swim in the pool. And now it's morning, it's about 6:45 a.m., almost maybe 7 a.m., and it's beautiful. The sun is heating everything up, and I got my electrolytes. I got some salty electrolytes. I really don't know what today's going to bring. It is exciting and a little, I'm not scared. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. I absolutely love the trees and the birds here. I love Costa Rica so far. It's awesome. Of course, this is like a perfectly manicured version of it, but so far, it's awesome. I love these birds. And there's some jazzy music playing by the pool. And actually, I could hear it last night from my room, but I was so tired I fell asleep anyways. I haven't even had any coffee yet. I need to get some good Costa Rican coffee this morning. I need some strong coffee. But first, I wanted to get my electrolytes and just get hydrated and ready for the day. So, yeah, we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for us. Should be fun and exciting, and I'm gonna document the journey, so follow along. Also, I haven't shaved in days. I'm contemplating whether or not I should just let it go and just be a jungle man and let my beard grow, or if I should maybe shave it all today and then from there let it go. I haven't decided what to do yet. I have to decide today what I want to do. My back is still hurting. I have been having some sciatic nerve pain, but I've done everything I can in the way of like stretching and nerve flossing and all of that to try to release it and get it moving. And I'm hoping that once we start doing yoga and start moving our bodies more, it will just fix itself. I don't really know if that's gonna work or not, but we'll have to wait and see. So, yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. Made it. Made it to the beach. This is gonna be so awesome.
It is.
I'm so excited.
You.
This place is absolutely amazing. We are at the Salvatierra Retreat Center in Playa, Coyote, Costa Rica. Wow. I didn't have my camera with me because the battery had to charge, but we went in the pool and in the ocean and saw the sunset, and now I'm heading to dinner. Day one. Dinner time! Dinner time! It's too dark. How pretty. We really did, yeah. Well, it's nighttime here on night one, and I've got all my stuff unpacked, and I'm just settling into my little room here, and it feels very natural for me to be here. It feels like anywhere I've lived, in a cast house, on the road, different places. So it's very natural for me to be away from home and to be settling into a new place for a short time. I've done this before. I've lived in hot, humid cast houses, and this is way better than that. It's not luxury, but it's luxury to me. And tomorrow begins our training. So tomorrow begins the real work of the training. We had a nice welcome dinner. It was a little too dark to film, but it was a delicious dinner, really healthy, filling, natural, delicious food. And now I'm just going to take some time to write some emails, do some journaling, enjoy the quiet, and take it all in. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.